He joined a video call with his company's chief financial officer. Other colleagues were on the screen too. He recognized their faces, he recognized their voices, they discussed a confidential transaction, and they asked him to move money. So he did. $25 million. Not one person on that call was real. Every face was generated, every voice was cloned. He was the only human being in that meeting. He was a finance professional at a global firm on a video call, looking right at people he knew. And it still worked. I'm Sam, your senior fraud guide. That really happened, and I'm starting there for a reason. The technology that fooled that man is not coming someday. It is here. It is cheap, and it is being pointed at older Americans right now. Most people have no idea it exists. Today, I'll show you what this technology actually is, how criminals are using it against you, the warning signs, and one simple test that still beats every bit of it. So, what are we actually talking about? Two things. The first is voice cloning. A computer listens to a recording of someone's voice, and it learns to speak in that voice. This is not an impression. It is a copy, and it will say anything a criminal types. Here is the part that stops people cold. It needs about 3 seconds of audio. 3 seconds. A voicemail, a birthday video, a church service posted online, anything at all with your grandchild's voice in it. The second is the deepfake. Same idea, but for a face. A computer can put someone's face onto a live video call and make it speak. That is what happened on that $25 million call. Both of these used to take a studio and a specialist. Today, they take a laptop in a few minutes. So how is this being aimed at you? 3 ways, mostly. The first is the emergency. Your grandson's voice, crying, telling you he's been in an accident or arrested, and he needs money tonight. And please don't tell his mother. The voice is perfect, because it is his voice. The second is the trusted institution. A call, or now a video call, from your bank's fraud department or a government office, or even your own financial advisor. The face is right. The voice is right. And they need you to move your money somewhere safe. The third is the famous face. A video of someone you recognize, a well-known investor, a television personality, recommending an opportunity. They never said it. They never recorded it. The whole thing was manufactured. And notice what all 3 have in common. They are not trying to win an argument with you. They are borrowing someone you already trust and letting your own trust do the work. Let me give you the numbers. Last year, scams powered by artificial intelligence cost Americans $893 million across more than 22,000 complaints. The FBI issued a public warning about voice cloning just last month. And across every kind of fraud, Americans over 60 lost $7.75 billion last year. That is up 59% in a single year. In 30 years of watching this, I have never seen anything move this fast. So here's how you protect yourself. 5 warning signs. 1. It came to you, and it came with urgency. A familiar voice out of nowhere, and something must happen right now. 2. Secrecy. Don't tell your daughter. Don't tell anyone. Hear me. A real family member in real trouble wants more people helping, not fewer. 3. They will not let you hang up and call back. That is the tell. A cloned voice cannot answer your grandson's real telephone. 4. The money has to move in a way you cannot take back. Gift cards, a wire, cash to a courier, cryptocurrency. 5. A familiar face is selling you something. If a celebrity appears in a video recommending an investment, assume it was fabricated until you prove otherwise. And here is the test that still works. Ask a question the machine cannot know. Not your birthday. Anyone can find that. Ask what you called the dog. Ask what you ate at Thanksgiving. A cloned voice knows the words your grandson has said in public. It does not know your family's private life. And on a live video call, there is one more. Ask them to turn their head all the way to the side or to slowly wave a hand in front of their face. The technology still struggles with that. A real person does it without thinking. And if this has already happened to you or to someone you love, stop sending money and call your bank right now. Then report it to the FBI at i-c-3.gov, to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud.ftc.gov, and to the National Elder Fraud Hotline at 1-833-FRAUD11. You can also call the AARP Fraud Watch helpline at 8779083360. It is free, and a real person will talk you through it. And please hear this. If a machine wearing your grandson's voice fooled you, that is not a failure of judgment. It is a technology built to defeat judgment. It took $25 million from a finance professional. So sit down with your family this week and pick a code word. It costs nothing, and it beats every one of these tools. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it may protect someone in your family. Stay vigilant, and until next time, protect yourself and protect the people you love.